Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre on this Monday. We're expecting another sunny, warm and dry day across the central and northern parts of South Africa, while a weak cold front has brushed to the south of the country overnight and behind it a high pressure system has ridged in. Now this is resulting in moist air being pushed in from the ocean, bringing in a chance for rain across that south coast at first. And as the day progresses, we're going to see an onshore flow developing along the eastern coastline, and that's going to push in a chance of rainfall for parts of KwaZulu-Natal later on, especially for this evening. Now we're also expecting cooler air to be in circulation, particularly for the Eastern Cape. It's going to be a couple of degrees cooler today than it was yesterday. Now here we see that chance for rain along the south coast. Now this region is going to see clearance during the course of this afternoon, and at the same time chances for rainfall will be increasing along the east coast. 40% chance for East London, Durban and Richards Bay, and we may even see some drizzle later on this evening over the adjacent interior, including around Pietermaritzburg and Ulundi. Now it's going to be a hot afternoon across the northern parts of South Africa. Johannesburg peaking at 28 degrees, similar for De Aard in the Northern Cape. Cooler air on the other hand, as we can see across the southern parts of the country, 19 for Port Elizabeth and Bishu. Quite cold as well for George with a maximum of only 17 degrees, mid to lower 20s expected in KwaZulu-Natal. Now for the detailed coastal forecast, and we're expecting a breezy afternoon along the west coast, 35 kilometers per hour for Namaqualand and Langebaan, and those fresh winds will result in moderate beach conditions. As we head further south, we're going to see winds also increasing around the peninsula this afternoon, starting off fairly light but becoming fresh by the late afternoon and early evening, and strong winds expected around Cape Point. Swells will be elevated between 3 and 3.5 meters. Light winds, on the other hand, are expected along the south coast between 15 and 20 kilometers per hour, a southwesterly swell averaging at 3 meters in the open ocean. And along the eastern coastline, we'll see a moderate southerly to southwesterly wind, but these winds will become lighter later on and start swinging around to the east and southeast. Swells across this area remaining quite low, between 1.5 and 2 meters, and we're still expecting an easterly component to the swell along the KwaZulu-Natal coastline. That's all from the Weather Centre. Have a lovely Monday.